Hey, here's how she finds it. So on Google Classroom, click on Classwork. One way to find it is to click on View Work, and you can toggle right here through the assigned, returned, or missing. So I'm looking at Addison's. She's turned it in. If she had not turned it in, you'd see it listed here. But if you click on All, it will say Wednesday, November 18th, Math Seesaw. So if you click on that and view details, it will come up right here. And there it is. Another way to find it is on Google Classroom. Click on Classwork. Look for the week. I have it sorted by week, so the week of November 16th through the 20th. And then it's always listed by the date and the assignment. If it is classwork, it will say classwork. Like this one says classwork, meaning we do it on Zoom, but it's Wednesday, November 18th, Math Seesaw. And again, you just click right there and there's the assignment.